Hi everybody, this is Mr. Jason, and today we're going to draw a goldfish, and we're also going to draw a goldfish so that it has a home. As always, we're going to need some art supplies to do our project with. We'll need a pencil. You may need an eraser if you have to erase something. Mistakes are perfectly fine, that's how we learn. You need a piece of paper. And I have a pen, just in case I need to draw a little bit darker so it's easier to see. That's not required. The last thing you'll need is at the end, if you want to color your project, you'll need something to color it with, like crayons or markers or colored pencils. Okay, are we ready to begin? We're going to start with our pencil, and we're going to draw a really big oval, taking up most of the paper. So I like to start at the top and draw a really big oval. When we get to the top, let's leave this part open. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw another oval at the top of this other oval to make the top of the fishbowl. And it's okay if there's some lines through it because that's what an eraser is for. I'm going to erase that and make the top of our bowl. So we have one oval over another oval. And because we're on this streak, we're going to draw one more oval inside of this oval, just following right on the inside. This is just the lip of the glass bowl. Okay, so now we have the glass bowl. Let's put it on a table so it's not floating in space. We're just going to draw a straight line to the bowl. Imagine a line all the way through and pick it up on the other side. We may come back and draw that a little bit later, but we're going to focus on the fish first. Okay, now we got the bowl sitting on the table. Let's draw the fish. I'm going to start with the fish's eye. We're going to find a place near the middle of the bowl, but over on the left side. We'll use the L for left, this side of the bowl. Draw a circle. I'm having trouble drawing circles today, but that's okay. Mistakes are how we learn. Inside of this circle, let's draw another circle, and we're going to color this one in dark. Circle and a circle. Now, where we have the circle, we're going to come over just a little bit, and we're going to draw another circle. We're not going to draw a dot on this one. This one's not an eye. This is actually the fish's mouth. What we're going to do is take your pencil on one side of the circle and draw a wavy line through it. See how I started low? I drew a wavy line up, down, and then back up. I'll give you a moment to do that. And now we're going to draw a curved line at the end of that to show that our fish is smiling and very, very happy in our fishbowl today. The bottom of the mouth, we're going to draw a curved line going back this way about that far. We're going to skip a little space and draw another curved line and then stop. Skip a little space and a diagonal line. We're going to come back here to this first space and draw a diagonal line down. Then from this top point, we're going to draw a curved line and connect it to the bottom point. And then this pointy part of that shape right there, the very top, we're going to draw a couple of straight lines to the bottom where it touches the curved line. And that's the bottom fin. I have a little space here. I can close that now. We're going to do the same thing over here. Draw a diagonal line. Connect it with a curved line. And at that pointy part, just draw a couple of lines down to make it look like a fin. I have a space here. I can close that up. We're going to come to the top of the circle back of the mouth about halfway. We're going to draw a curved line. It goes all the way to about here. Then we're going to draw a half circle on the top. I'm going to come back a little ways over here and draw a curved line. Pretty much the same shape just over here, just a curved line. Then you're going to take this line, or this point, and connect it with a straight line. Then you're going to connect the top of this circle to this line with another straight line. And then along this shape, we're just going to draw a curved line, curved line, curved line for the top of its fin. And in this particular drawing, the fin's curved over. Now we're going to finish the fish's back. We're going to come back over here and draw a curved line. It goes all the way back. We'll stop there because we don't want to go through that. Pick it up on the other side and come down and meet these 2 points together right here. So we'll stop the same distance apart. And then over here, we're going to draw a curved line, curved line. On the back, we're going to draw a diagonal line, curved line to the back, some lines for the fin. So here we are at the tail. We're going to draw a diagonal line, a diagonal line down, and between the top point here and the bottom point here, we're going to draw a wavy line that kind of looks like one of those really elegant goldfish that you might see in a fancy tank. So we'll just draw a wavy line. And then to make it look kind of like a fin, we're just going to draw some lines at various points, some diagonal lines all along from the top to the bottom, and just part of the way back. We don't want to go too far. Now, fish are unlike a lot of other animals in that they breathe water, and to do that they use gills. So we're going to draw the fish's gill. We're going to come behind the eye and draw a curved line that goes all the way back and comes about to that fin there. And that'll be our fish's gill. Then the main pectoral fin that really helps them move and stay steady, we're going to draw a diagonal line up, come down a little bit, diagonal line down, and connect it with a curved line. And we're going to draw some more diagonal lines all the way down for that fin. We're going to come over here and just draw a little curved line for the fish's other eye on the very top color that in. Now we need to draw the water in the fishbowl. We're going to draw a wavy line. And then we're going to draw another wavy line under it. And connect them on both sides with just a little curved line. Come down to the bottom of the bowl. We're going to lightly draw a curved line. Draw a couple of circles. After several circles for bubbles. And you see where this line hits the bowl? We're going to lightly draw that line all the way across. Because the bowl is see-through, we can see the rest of the table. The last step of our goldfish before you're able to color it is we're going to draw some scales. These are all going to be wavy lines, and you're just going to start at the top and just draw a wavy line. When you get to a piece of the fish, you'll stop, pick it up on the other side, and just draw down. Do the same thing up here, move back a little bit, draw a wavy line. And just do that all the way back. Give our fish some scales. And we'll stop at the tail. And that, Ms. Viramonte's class, is our pet goldfish. You can color it any color you want because goldfish come in all kinds of colors. You can even make it rainbow colored, or you can make it your favorite sports team's colors, whatever you like. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed drawing this goldfish, and whatever you'd like to draw next week, just let Ms. Viramonte know, and we'll get right on that. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.